Hey gang, welcome back to Pretty Girl Gang TV, where we do nothing but conduct pretty girl business. Okay. It's your girl Jeanina here, and I am back on a spooky day with another video for you guys. And in today's video, I want to talk about hygiene. Girl, listen, there are so many amazing shower routines, products, and tools out there for your tailored shower routine, okay? If you guys watch my channel, you guys know I have different products that I use. I have a whole 45-minute shower routine with different products that I like to use. For example, dry scrubbing. I swear on dry scrubbing before you get into the shower, you guys. Also, I use a body conditioner while I'm in the shower. I mean, there's just all types of steps and things that you can possibly do in a shower routine, okay? But what if you're not into that? What if you're not into purchasing a bunch of products, doing a bunch of steps in your shower routine, girl? And that's okay, okay? That's okay. Not everyone aspires to have a bunch of products or spend a lot of money on all kinds of products and take 45-minute showers and have all kinds of steps, girl. That's okay. Therefore, girl, I have put together a hygiene starter kit, if you will, for all of my basic babes out there who are either starting out with hygiene or who just want to have a less expensive, easy, basic shower routine, okay? So if you guys want to see that, keep on watching. Okay, girl, so let's start out with what is a basic hygiene routine, okay? So in my opinion, a basic hygiene routine is gonna start out with just 4 things, okay? A wash, a moisturizer, a scrub, and a hair remover. Boom. I feel like those are the most basic things that are a must-have, okay? So we got that out of the way. Let me explain why I think this. So number 1, a wash. We all have to get clean. We all have to get washed, right? I feel like that is like a must when it comes to a shower routine. And for my basic babes out there, you don't have to have anything that's like scented or like crazily expensive, luxury or whatever. There are some perfectly good shower washes out there that can get the job done. For instance, I love the Dr. Bronner's Pure Castle Soap. I typically use the liquid version, okay? And I will have these products also on the screen that I don't have right here in front of me to show you guys. But this is the bar version. Now, the liquid version of the Dr. Bronner's is kind of expensive, girl. It's about $17, $18 depending on where you get it from. But if you want to use that soap and you just want to get like a very squeaky clean feeling, because the Dr. Bronner's soap, you guys, is amazing. I've preached about this in my hygiene videos. It helps keep my underarms bright. I mean, if you really want a squeaky clean, like this is the way to go, okay? Without all the perfumes and the scents and things like that. So this one is in bar form. Now this form is much cheaper. I went ahead and picked this up at Walmart for I think about $3.35 versus the big one, which is the big liquid one, which is like $17. So if you're just looking to get clean, squeaky clean, washed, smell like nothing, girl, Dr. Bronner's is the way to go. And don't forget, there's bar soap if you're looking for a less expensive alternative. Next wash I can recommend you guys is a little bit of a luxury wash for me because it's a little bit more expensive. It runs about $7 to $8, and that is the Olay Washes. I love these washes. You guys also see me haul these in my hygiene hauls, girl. Like, I've tried every single one. This one I currently have is the hyaluronic acid because I'm completely obsessed with like hyaluronic acid, collagen, anything that can like help anti-age because I am now in my early 30s. So that's just something that I typically look for when it comes to washes. But like I said, this wash is a little bit more on the luxe side, even though you can purchase it at Walmart and Target. It's a little bit expensive, maybe like $7 to $8. So this is another one that I truly recommend as well because you get a lot, as you can see. They do have different scents and things like that. If you're looking for a little bit of a perfumey, nice scent, you can go with Olay as well. Next is moisturizer. So that would equate to lotion, right? Okay, so currently I am using the Olay Collagen Firming and Hydrating Lotion. I just purchased this, you guys, maybe about a week or two ago. So I've been using it and it is very good. Now this is considered, I guess, a little bit luxe because you can purchase this for about, I think it was $7 to $8, same as the wash. But I really do like this. So if you want something that is like geared towards skin, because like I said, this one is collagen. Like I said, I am obsessed with like collagen, hyaluronic acid, and things that have to do with anti-aging. Go ahead and try this. It states that it's hydrating. I would say that it's not as hydrating as I would like it to be, but definitely firming, because it claims to be a firming body lotion because it has the collagen. I will say that, okay? Like I said, I've been using this for about almost 2 weeks, and I do feel like my skin is a little bit firmer and it's a little bit different in a good way. So I would definitely recommend this, and also I would recommend like any of Olay's body lotions. If you guys watch my vlog, like I just recently found out that Olay even had lotions, because for some reason I've never came up on an Olay lotion, period, okay? So I would definitely recommend Olay as a brand when it comes to moisturizers and lotions. What I used to use and what I still have in my collection right now, and I will put that up on the screen, is another alternative if you're looking for another brand of lotion, and that is the Dove Cream Oil lotions. Now, if you guys are a little bit more on the drier side, I know it's getting to be like fall and then winter, and typically in fall and winter, my skin will get a little bit more dry despite it being oily, but because of the elements, you know, it does get dry. I would recommend something like that. The Dove Cream Oil, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it's probably the same price or maybe a little bit cheaper depending on where you go. But it's formulated with cream oil, so it's a little bit more moisturizing for my dry girls out there. So that's another moisturizer that I would suggest. Next thing on the list, scrubbing, girl, okay? I think that scrubbing should be one of the most basic, essential things you should do in your shower routine, because y'all, scrubbing has some benefits. Now, if you don't want to take my word for it, go ahead and Google like scrubbing for the benefits of your skin while you're in the shower. I'm telling you, scrubbing is it, okay? I have just recently started scrubbing, maybe about a year ago, and it has helped my skin like so much. You guys know that I have like hyperpigmentation, acne, I scar easily. I'm from California, so I moved here to Virginia because my husband's in the military, and I get bit by like mosquitoes and all types of bugs I never got bit before, and that creates a scar. I mean, like anything can create like discoloration or a scar on my body, and scrubbing has literally helped eliminate that. Not only does scrubbing help keep your skin brightened and polished, but it also helps with the dead skin cells and getting all that dead stuff off in order to have new, great, polished skin. One of my favorite scrubbers of all time that I have been using for a long time is the Tree Hut scrubs, you guys, okay? But however, let me tell you, it is getting super duper hard to find these. I don't know if it's because they're really popular on YouTube now and everybody's just purchasing it, or if because somehow, like, I don't know, but they have become like obsolete. This is literally like the last one I have, and every time I go to like Ulta or Walmart or Target or Walgreens, anywhere, they're just completely sold out. So this is the last one I actually had. I actually had to go to Walmart and purchase something else, and I will give you guys another alternative so if you can't find that, and that is the Dove Exfoliant Body Polish. I used to use this before I discovered the Tree Hut. It's a little bit more of a cream body scrub for me. It's not just straight up sugar, because the Tree Hut is a little bit more like sugar scrub. It's like pure granules of sugar, I feel like. And the Dove Exfoliant Body Polish is more like a cream. It goes on more creamy. The sugar scrubs are a little bit more, or the granulars, whatever, the little sugars are a little bit more smaller in the Dove. I feel like, especially if you're starting out with hygiene and you don't know anything about tree scrub, to go ahead and try out the Dove, because the Dove is actually more accessible as well. My last thing on my hygiene starter kit, you guys, would be hair remover, and no, we're not talking about a shaver, girl, okay? I'm talking about the Nair hair remover lotion, you guys. This one is the rich cocoa butter and vitamin E. I really like this one because I feel like it makes your skin really soft because it has the vitamin E and the cocoa butter components in it. You could pretty much use any hair remover you want. Even if you shave, that's good as well. But I feel like just the lotion is more easier for you, especially if you're basic and you're not into all these different types of shavers, because there's all kinds of shavers out here, girl, like all kinds. That's another video, okay? There are different shavers for different people for different things, okay? I just feel like the hair remover from Nair, the lotion, is just, I feel like it's more easier to use. You can put this basically anywhere except for your face, girl. I don't recommend putting it on your face because Nair does have one specifically for your face that's like gentler, because you know your face skin is different from every other skin. I just feel like Nair is easier. It also leaves the skin smoother and the hair off longer than shaving would. All right, you guys, so that is my hygiene starter kit for anybody who is starting out with hygiene, or for anybody who just doesn't know a bunch of brands and products to use. I hope you guys found this video super duper helpful. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you like more hygiene videos, let me know down in the comment section below. Give me a thumbs up. I hope you guys are having a great October so far, okay? And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.